Hi, Josie here. I'm an artist and I like color, process, and material, and I love talking about them. Today we are going to talk about color, my favorite, and in particular, what are my go-to watercolor paint colors. Every artist has a palette that's unique to them. A palette is as personal as a toothbrush. A palette is a very personal thing. It's something that develops over time when an artist is habitually using paints and colors. In my large kit, I have, 60 different colors that I can choose from. But even though I have so many options, I find that I always just come back to the same 10 to 12. I know the colors I like and I just keep coming back to them. Most of the colors that I'm going to demonstrate today can be found in my personal travel paint kit, which you can buy on my website. The link below. It should be available sometime in the fall of 2018. However, all the colors can also be bought singly and made by various manufacturers. Some of my favorite watercolor manufacturers are Daniel Smith, Schmincke, Winsor Newton, etc. I have no white and no black in my kit. The reason why is that white is moot. It's unnecessary because what you need to use is the white of your page. The color is supposed to be transparent and layer on top of your white page like a veil, and the luminosity comes from the whiteness of the paper. If you add white paint, it tends to be kind of opaque, kind of chalky. It, instead of reflecting light beautifully in a luminous glow kind of way, it stops it, it's dull, and there's no reflection that happens. Now, black is a little bit of a different problem. Black also doesn't reflect light, but it's not supposed to. It's black, right? It's supposed to block light. Black watercolor, I think, if you're trying to darken up a color, using black watercolor just makes it flat. It doesn't bring any delicacy and nuance to the color. It just makes it kind of swampy.
Hey, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wasn't even 27 when he reached the 31st floor. Oh Lord, I never got to hear him sing. Oh Lord, no angel had a voice can ring like that. Oh Lord, I never got to hear him play. Oh Lord, even the devil don't play that way. Stripped that boy his honor when he shot his daddy down. Left him with a bunch of money, but money won't buy you love. So Kunda called him up to heaven on the wings of a snow white dove. Oh Lord, I never got to hear him sing. Oh Lord, no angel had a voice to ring like that. Oh Lord, I never got to hear him play.
Thanks for watching my overview of my very favorite colors. Please let me know what your favorite colors are. Have you tried some of mine? Are they in your regular kit? If you want to see more of my day-to-day art practice, you can check me out on Instagram. And as ever, if you want more watercolor videos and art how-tos, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video.
boy crying